What is your name?
Sarah.
Thank you.
Leon Malmed, author of We Survived, At Last I Speak, retold his personal experiences about how he escaped certain death during the Holocaust.
Yes, I'm a Holocaust survivor. Today, I speak not for myself, not for my sister, but mostly to recognize the courage and the heroism of a French Christian couple.
Leon credits his survival to his adopted parents, Henri and Suzanne Rivelou, the downstairs neighbors who promised to care for Leon and Rachel unexpectedly one early morning in Compiègne, France.
At that time, Monsieur Henri Rivelou pronounced a few words that would save our lives. And he said to my parents, "Do not worry, Mr. and Mrs. Malmed. We will take care of your children until you come back."
For nearly 3 years, the Malmed children and the Rivelous lived in constant fear of being exposed to the Nazis by the community
You can
and their
imagine we
neighbors.
are hungry constantly for a year or 2 or 3. It's very tempting to say, "Oh yeah, I know where someone is," and get another ration card to feed yourself or even your children.
The Rivelou family put their own lives in danger to protect 2 Jewish children, never realizing the heroism on their own part.
Anyone in France who was caught hiding a Jew, a homosexual, a communist, a gypsy, or an enemy of the regime then was shot on sight or sent to a death camp.
In 1977, the Malmeds sought to gain for the Rivelous, the righteous among the nations, an honor bestowed upon individuals who selflessly protected the people hunted by the Nazis.
At last, after so many years of silence, I testify with the hope that my children, my grandchildren, my friends, you, the audiences that I address, will actually help to prevent repeating the mistakes of the past.
Reporting for Cougar News, this is Gilbert Bernal.